To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first, then together if needed. Before we dive into the statements, we can consider that the triangle inequality theorem says that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. Also, the length of any side of a triangle must be positive. So now let's go ahead and let's dive into each statement. Let's first consider statement 1. For statement 1, we're given the length of two sides of the triangle. Let's use the triangle inequality theorem to help determine the possible lengths of the third side, mn. For simplicity, let x represent the length of mn. So we'll call x to be the length of the line segment mn. We then know, or we're given, that 10 plus 8 is greater than x. And we know that 8 plus x is greater than 10, using the triangle inequality theorem. Putting the inequalities together, we have that 2 is less than x, which is less than 18. This only gives us a range of possible values for the length of mn, not the exact length. Since we can't find the exact length of mn, this statement alone is not sufficient. So we can rule out answer choice A and D, since statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Now let's go ahead and let's consider statement 2. Scrolling down a little bit to give us some room. We're given that triangle MNO is a right triangle. And that's not enough information to help us determine the length of line segment MN. This statement alone is not sufficient. So we can eliminate answer choice B. Now we're still left with answer choice C or E, so we're going to have to combine the two statements. Let's go ahead and let's combine the statements off to the side. So statement 1 and statement 2 together. We have a right triangle with legs of length 8 and 10. We can find the length of mn using the Pythagorean theorem, since the Pythagorean theorem holds for right triangles. Both statements together would be sufficient then. And we can eliminate answer choice E, and our final answer would be answer choice C. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient.